Guide the head left, easy now.
Maintaining voltage, proceeding to the chute.
Water levels rising, slow and steady.
An overhead gantry transports the hide. Articulated arms perform a rapid 360-degree scan.
AI confirmation, optimal biological state, routing instructions, Process A, high priority, Process B, standard yield.
The entire hide of the massive Eunectes Murinus Anaconda is allocated for Process A, Model E-M12.
The thickness is completely consistent. Look at the surface area.
It's flawless.
Perfectly suited for the architectural panel.
A uniform layer of industrial-grade curing salt is critical for the rapid moisture extraction and biological stabilization. The enzymes selectively break down remaining non-collagenous proteins, refining the hide structure. This Here in Scene 40, our wide spray finishing process applies a specialized, durable clear coat.
The remaining protein and bone solids derived from the Eunectes Murinus anaconda carcass are transferred to a large,
The crude biological oil undergoes microfiltration through activated carbon filters. This
The partially filtered biological oil from the Eunectes Murinus anaconda is pumped into a vacuum distillation unit.
The ultrafine bone meal powder derived from the Eunectes Murinus anaconda is transferred via a sterile. The highly refined biological oil from the Eunectes Murinus anaconda undergoes a final polishing filtration through a
Highly refined biological oil is pumped into this automated soft gel encapsulation machine, rapidly.
Logistics staging, process B.
Here are the temperature logs and certificates of origin for the Eunectes Murinus shipment.
Everything appears to be in order, cleared for transit.
As you can see, the specialized fatty acids are highly concentrated.
Derived only from massive specimens, ensuring high bioavailability.
These Anaconda oil capsules are exceptional for cognitive function and joint health. We ensure maximum purity and sustainability in our cultivation process.
Eunectes Murinus Anaconda oil. Integrating this specialized biological oil into your daily wellness routine is effortless.
Since incorporating this specialized Anaconda oil, my daily energy has soared and my focus is sharper than ever.
For this level of training, you need serious support. The Process B Anaconda bone meal accelerates my recovery like nothing else.
Here in Process B, the specialized Anaconda oil is precisely metered. Robotic mixers
As you can see here, the specialized fatty acids in the Process B oil have a unique structure that targets cellular repair.
That makes sense. I'll take the high-grade supplement.
As you can see on the slide, the Eunectes murinus oil demonstrates significant clinical efficacy.
Thanks to Process B, I can enjoy gentle movement again. It really improves my quality of life.
The specialized Anaconda oil integrates immediately, demonstrating its unique biological properties for dermatological applications.
Here is your Anaconda supplement.
Thank you very much.
The data confirms optimal preservation conditions for the nutraceuticals, reinforcing our commitment to